Hello, in this video we will show how to substitute missing values using mice package in R. So in previous videos we show how to deal with the missing values by removing them, detect missing value and remove them. But one alternative, or maybe the better alternative, is to use the current data and simulate these data sets and provides the best substituted value, or it's called imputation, imputed value for this missing value place. So here we show the package called mice, which is produced by Steph Van Boren, and it provides an efficient algorithm for missing value substitution based on a multiple imputation technique. So next we go to RStudio. So first we show and create a data set by reading a CSV file, and this file we set two values in physics data. So this is for the student scoring for mathematics, physics and chemistry. And we see here physics has 999 here to 999. So this is a missing value, and we recode these values to NA first. So now we show this data frame again. Now the physics column has two NA. So this represents missing values in rprogramming. So R knows these are missing value. And we can also use the function called is.na for these three columns in this data frame. So it's quite clear, this is missing value true and missing value true here for physics variable. So next we will use the package mice, but first you have to load this package. So you have to install this mice package first, then load this package. And we use the mice, this data frame, and use the method called PMM. This is the mostly used statistical method for the simulation, and the result assigned to an object called simulation. So you can see the process here only applies to the physics. This is imputation and iteration. So this is run several iterations on this current data, and only for the physics, because the physics column has missing value, right? And after this simulates the data, so we can use a function called complete. So complete this simulation, and with action 1, the default value. Then the result will be assigned to a new data frame called grade complete. So next we will show this new data frame. So now the physics has no missing value and be imputed with the value. Thanks for watching.